Hey foodies, welcome back to Lily Mills Amazon Finds. In today's episode, we're diving into a kitchen essential that's not only affordable, but has also seriously upped my cooking game. The Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Dutch Oven. This beauty isn't just a pop of color in the kitchen. It's a versatile powerhouse for baking, braising, roasting, and more. With a solid 4.7 stars from me. Let's find out what makes it a must-have. First off, the build quality. Made from heavy-duty cast iron with an enamel coating, this Dutch oven offers exceptional heat retention and distribution, which is key for those slow-cooked meals. The enamel surface also means it's super easy to clean and maintains its luster over time. And let's not forget the color. This striking red has become a centerpiece in my kitchen. Performance-wise, it's a dream. I've used it on the stovetop for soups and stews, and in the oven for bread and braised meats. Every time, the results have been consistently impressive. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, and it's oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, no product is perfect, and the Amazon Basics Dutch oven does have its limitations. The knob on the lid is oven safe only up to 400 degrees. So for recipes requiring higher temps, you might need to swap it out. And, being cast iron, it's heavy, which could be a consideration for some. But here's the kicker: for its price, the value you get is unbeatable. It performs as well as its much pricier counterparts, making it an excellent choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs on a budget. All said and done, I'm giving the Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Dutch Oven a well-deserved 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's durable, versatile, and beautiful, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you're considering adding this Dutch oven to your culinary arsenal, I say go for it. For more reviews and delicious recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Happy cooking! And I'll see you in the next video.